Hey, welcome back to another video of AI Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to block Grammarly. If you want to block or disable Grammarly temporarily or permanently on specific apps or website, here are some steps you can take. First is turn off Grammarly on specific website, like browser extension. Open your preferred web browser and go to your extension and click on Manage Extension button. Here, you can see your Grammarly extension. You can toggle this off so you can disable it, or you can also click on Remove to delete the extension from your Chrome. Simply click on Remove button. To disable only on Microsoft Office, you can go to Grammarly website and go to App section. If you have the extension, you will see the Active button here. You can also uninstall from your desktop. Go to your control panel on your PC and click on Uninstall a program. After that, find Grammarly for Windows and click on Uninstall. Now click on Yes button. Now you need to provide a reason why you have uninstalled the Grammarly and click on Submit button. So that is how you can block Grammarly. Blocking Grammarly on certain sites or applications allow you to control where the AI suggestions appear, giving you flexibility in how you use it. So that is how you can block Grammarly. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.